Meet Miss Manali, who is always busy with her office works. Recently, Manali had a problem. Due to this COVID-19 situation, amidst a crowded people, she was unable to pay her water supply bills. She can't go for ATM machines, can't stand on a long distance queue, and what she can do. Also, we can't have in-person meetings as well. She looks confused, and she decided to search all over the internet to get a best solution for her problem. And yes, she got an idea. Why can't we use an online website or an online app to make the payment? And finally, she found a website. Guys, do you want to take a look at it?